how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just go to settings, type here background apps, background apps, click on it and then scroll down until you find background apps, and that's it. Turn off all background apps just by turning off the first option. Now let's move to the next step. Go to settings again and then go to gaming, turn off Xbox bar and then turn on game mode, and that's it. After that, just restart your PC, and after launching Minecraft, just close all the applications that you don't need here, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.